Hi, this is a public service announcement by Tessa, Reagan, Sam, and Cassidy. We're going to tell you how to use your eyes to their full potential.
Our eyes are cameras of the world because literally everything we see is because of the process of the eye. First, the cornea recognizes the light. Next, the iris determines how much light enters the eye. After the light is adjusted, it enters through the pupil. After that, the lens adjusts the thickness of the image. Then rods decide how bright the light should be, and the cones decide the color.
Everyone around us has either glasses, contacts, or neither. What you have depends on your visual acuity, the shape of your eye. If you are nearsighted, that means you have to be close to see something. That means your eyeball is elongated. While if you are farsighted, you can easily see far objects. That means your eyeball is too short. By wearing glasses or contacts, or even getting laser eye surgery, you are wanting to use your eyes to their full potential. When it is dark outside, the process of being able to see objects clearly is called dark adaptation. Your cones and rods adapt to the dim light at different rates. The cones take about 10 minutes to adapt, while the rods take a little bit longer, about 45 minutes. However, when adapting to bright light, the process takes a lot quicker. For example, coming out of a dark movie theater to the bright afternoon, you may be blinded at first, but your eyes will quickly adapt within a minute or so.
People can see thousands of different colors. All colors have different wavelengths. The way we perceive color depends on the physical properties of an object we are looking at and how the eye transmits messages to the brain. There are two main theories about color vision. One of them is the trichromatic theory. Thomas Young discovered that he could create any color by overlapping red, green, and blue-violet. It was thought that the retina in the eye must only have 3 different types of cones that are sensitive to red, green, and blue. The other theory is opponent process theory. Ewald Herring said that there are 3 types of color receptors, but they are red, green, blue, yellow, and the difference is in brightness. Research has found that both theories are partially correct.
If a person can discriminate among the colors of the visible spectrum, they have normal color vision and are referred to as a trichromat. This means they are sensitive to red, green, blue, yellow, and light dark. On the other hand, people that are completely colorblind are said to be monochromats, which are sensitive to only lightness and darkness. Not to mention, my brother is completely colorblind. I remember being in the backseat of his car when he was driving, and he totally went through a red light, thinking it was green. This is a prime example of colorblindness. Then there is partial colorblindness, which is sex-linked and is mostly common in males. The people that are partially colorblind are called dichromats. A dichromat might put on one red sock and one green sock, but would not mix red and blue socks.